Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth orbited Mercury at the speed of light? Sounds crazy, right? But sometimes thinking about the impossible helps us understand the universe better. We are TM. What if? And today we're going to embark on an incredible journey of imagination. We'll explore what might happen if Earth could orbit Mercury as fast as light itself. Don't worry. I'll explain everything in simple terms, so it's easy to follow along. Let's dive into this fascinating scenario together. So let's step into the world of imagination and discover what could happen. But before we begin, I want to hear from you. What do you think would happen if we pushed Earth to the speed of light around Mercury? Take a moment to think about it and share your ideas in the comments below. Your thoughts might spark an exciting discussion. Let's imagine what we're talking about here. Normally, Earth orbits the Sun at about 30 kilometers per second. That's already incredibly fast. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, moves even faster because its orbit is smaller. Now, imagine if we moved Earth into Mercury's position and made it orbit the Sun at the speed of light. The speed of light is about 299,792 kilometers per second. That's nearly 10,000 times faster than Earth's usual speed. What could possibly happen when Earth moves that fast? As things move faster and faster, especially near the speed of light, some really strange things start to occur. Time can slow down, and objects can seem to get heavier. Let's explore these ideas together. First, let's think about what happens to time when you move at such an incredible speed. Did you know that when you move really fast, time for you slows down compared to everyone else? It sounds weird, but it's true. If Earth were moving at the speed of light, time on Earth would almost come to a standstill compared to the rest of the universe. Imagine this. We on Earth might feel like only a few seconds have passed, but outside of Earth, millions or even billions of years could have gone by. So, if we made a trip around Mercury at light speed and then stopped, we might find that the solar system has completely changed. The sun might have burned out, or new stars might have appeared. It's like a form of time travel to the future. Isn't that amazing to think about? Can you imagine how that would feel? If you could travel through time like that, would you want to see the future or go back to the past? Share your thoughts in the comments. Next, let's see what happens to Earth's weight when it moves so fast. Now let's talk about Earth's weight, or mass. When something moves incredibly fast, its mass appears to increase. So if Earth were moving at the speed of light, its mass would become unbelievably huge. So huge that it's hard to even imagine. This enormous mass would cause a tremendous amount of gravity. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground and makes things fall. But with such a massive Earth, the gravity could become so strong that it might create a black hole. A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. If Earth turned into a black hole, it would be bad news for everything around it. It could swallow up nearby planets, and maybe even the entire solar system. So moving Earth at the speed of light could be really dangerous. What do you think? Is there any way we could avoid this problem? If you were a scientist, how would you solve it? Share your ideas. This brings us to another big question. How much energy would we need to make Earth move that fast? Let's think about the energy we'd need to make Earth go that fast. Energy is what makes things move. To make Earth move at the speed of light, we'd need an unimaginable amount of energy. In fact, we'd need infinite energy. That's more energy than exists in the entire universe. Even if we gathered all the energy from every star, planet, and galaxy, it still wouldn't be enough. So, in reality, it's impossible to speed up Earth to the speed of light because we just can't get that much energy. But thinking about this helps us understand how energy works in our universe. It shows us that there are limits to what we can do, and the speed of light is one of those limits. But let's imagine for a moment, if you could find a source of endless energy, what would it be? Maybe a new kind of technology or an incredible discovery. Share your wildest ideas. Finally, let's see how space itself would be affected by Earth, moving so fast. Now, let's think about space itself. If Earth moved at the speed of light and its mass became so huge, it would change the space around it. Space might bend or twist in ways we can't even imagine. The idea of an orbit might not make sense anymore, because gravity and space would be so warped. Strange things like wormholes or black holes could appear. A wormhole is like a tunnel that might connect two distant points in space. In short, everything we know about how space works could change completely. It's like opening a mysterious box where anything could happen. That's why thinking about these what-if scenarios is so exciting. It helps us think beyond what we know and imagine new possibilities. Do you think there could be places in the universe where the rules are different? If so, how could we find them? Think about it and let me know what you think. After considering all these possibilities, we can see that our imaginary scenario, while impossible, teaches us a lot. Even though our idea of Earth moving at the speed of light can't happen, thinking about it helps us understand important things. It shows us that the speed of light is a real limit that we can't break. It's like a universal speed limit. When I first learned about this, I was amazed. I thought, why can't we go faster than light? But then I realized that these limits are what make the universe so fascinating. They challenge us to learn more and find new ways to explore and understand everything around us. Have you ever learned something that changed how you see the world? Maybe a cool science fact or an interesting idea? Share your stories with us. We can all learn from each other. So, what do you think about all of this? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any other what-if questions that make you curious? If you could imagine breaking the laws of physics, what would you like to explore? Share your ideas in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. If you enjoyed thinking about this with me, there's more exciting stuff coming up. If you liked this video and want to explore more amazing ideas with us, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. That way, you'll know when we post new videos full of fascinating what-if questions and intriguing answers. Also, don't forget to check out some of our other videos about interesting hypothetical scenarios. There's so much to learn and discover. TM, what if? The universe is vast, and imagination is limitless. Let's explore together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.